RKT stock analysis for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm breaking down all this in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only person in this space with 43,000 video track record over 5 years. And it wasn't until I paid mentors tens of thousands of dollars that I learned the skills that everything changed, which you obviously don't have to do. But my first RKT receipt call out, even like video proof, was right here. Oh my bad, this should load.
RKT stock analysis Thursday.
Beautiful. And then yesterday I was willing to double down on this. It was 1161 when I made the video. And then after is just history. But I hoped I see a double break. It just crashed a bit lower, which is fine. You know, this is why I had this waiting sign. I still will do. Still open-minded for longs. But it's just that it must give me full candle close about 1524. And then I take things up. Other than that, I genuinely will not care whatsoever. So that's how it's looking like for me. Not financial advice. I have RKT receipts in the Discord. If you want daily free market picks and emails to stay tuned and make more, click the first link in the description. It's free.